Hey guys, welcome back to another video of free to use series. So today in this video I will provide you 50 plus After Effects AMV project file, or you can say AMV edit After Effects free project file. And first time on YouTube someone is providing this much of AMV edit project file, so make sure to watch full video because link is password protected and password is 6-digit code and single digit can be displayed at any corner of the video. So watch the video carefully, and if you're facing any problem then you can freely message me on Instagram or Discord regarding to any problem, password, link or anything. And if you don't use Discord then no problem brother, you can message me on Instagram. I will provide you direct link there. So as you can see here, total 50 plus After Effects AMV project files, and let me show you here the video, and here the preset footage files and project, and same like others. Here the video, here the project, here the footage clips, and same here, some with clips, some without clips. So yeah. And guys, most important, if you haven't checked out our free to use editing pack, then what you waiting for brother? This is the biggest editing pack in whole YouTube. In this pack you will get 3000 plus AMV clips with texture, slow-mo, CC, without CC, high quality and many more, and 1000 plus After Effects CC pack, premium CC pack. Guys, don't miss this. This is the biggest After Effects CC pack, so make sure to check out that. And SFX pack, VFX pack, Mega GFX pack, and 20,000 plus special font pack, and 1000 plus thumbnail with text, without text, with PNG, and many more. So make sure to check out this pack, reduce editing series, link in comment section. Make sure to check out it once. And now let me show you how can you download this pack. So guys, now let me show you how can you download this pack. First of all, check pin comment. In pin comment you will get this link. Click on free to use editing pack link. After clicking you will appear here. Here is the series, 3000 plus AMV clips, 1000 plus After Effects CC preset, SFX pack, Mega GFX, font, and many things. So make sure to check out this once. And now let me show you how can you download After Effects pack. Click on download link in Discord link. After clicking you will appear here. So scroll, and in free for editor section, free to use section, you will see this thumbnail. Check thumbnail and click on download link. So just tap to reveal link. After this, type password here, and then you will get this pack. Mega link because pack is 20 GB plus, so that's why. Here you will get all the presets, I mean project files. So I hope you like it. If you like it, then please make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel then make sure to please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you guys complete 300 plus like on this video, then I will bring part 2. Definitely I will upload that video soon if you guys complete 300 likes on this video. So make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for part 2 also. And bye bye, take care, peace out.